In this video we will see how to add vertical line in Google Docs like this and how to customize the vertical line. Let's get started. I will delete this line first. To insert the line, go to the insert option, click on drawing and then click on plus new. A drawing dashboard will appear. Here you will see select line option. Click here and select line, then draw the straight line in the drawing dashboard. Then you can customize the line from here. You can change the color. You can also change the thickness of the vertical line. From here you can dash line. There are various options. You can select any one. From here you can arrow the line at the ends if you want. Once you are done, click save and close, and the line will be inserted in Google Docs. See how to insert horizontal line in Google Docs at the end of this video. If this video helped you, please subscribe and press bell notification icon so you don't miss any useful updates. Thank you.